Hey guys, today we're doing a drop test and my Alcatel 1 has a no battery, no back cover and no display, no screen. I have no screen, no back cover and no batteries. But not, so yeah, do not tear and block it in because there's a part there. So yeah, we're going to try the drop test. So yeah, let's do the drop test in the Alcatel 1. So yeah, let's get started. And a backdrop and wayside of 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's just fine. So yeah, backdrop and wayside. No, front drop and wayside. Sorry, from drop and wayside 3, 2, 1. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And bottom drop and wayside 3, 2, 1. Oh, ooh. Nothing there. A chest height of 3, 2, 1. At the chest height, ooh, gross. And the chest height, waist height 3, 2, 1. That's the bottom drop. Okay, let's try stone. Right there. And a uniquest drop test. We say 3, 2, 1. Oops. Okay. Ooh. Oof. He cracked it. Snap up. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Snap up. 3, 2, 1. Wow. I'm being good. God. And Unicrest. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh gosh. Let me have a look at the damage. So. And cracked it. It'd make it worse. Number 3, 2, 1. Oh crap. Let's do the scratch test. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ooh. Just a bit scratcher. Unicrest. Oh, wait, right, oh crap. Stop it, 3, 2, 1. Oh crap. Down about 7. Oh good. That's number 3, 2, 1. Hey, Buckra. That's number 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. And stop at 3, 2, 1. Oh. Snap it. 3, 2, 1. You big crap. Ooh, crap. Snap it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Dad, we need to squash on the car. Dad, we need to squash on the car. This one. We need to squash on the car. Squashed. This is this one. It's squashed. This one. Oh, this one. This one.
Yeah, scratch the car now.
Can I just put it there?
Why do you want to scratch the car?
On. I can put it there.
Why?
You can put it there if someone, if you want to.
If you want to, yeah. What do you want to put there?
Just put it there. Right there. I'm going to look. I just go out. This is pretty good.
Explode the tyre.
No, not explode. Go back and it's break there.
The car goes, explodes everywhere.
Don't want to explode. What do you do? Back.
Reverse, you mean?
There we go.
You have to ask Mummy. It's Mummy's car.
Okay. We're going to try tomorrow.
Go tomorrow, yeah. Right, we're going inside now.
Not inside. Not yet.
Test, not yet.
Just drop test. That bed. And 3, 2, 1. Oh. We do what? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I'm Pringles. Pringles. Oh, is this correct there? I guess I'll leave that. Number 2, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Hey, correct. It's number 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's that. Oops. Oh. Oh, crap. What's this? What is that? Slug. This is not. This is. Here, what is this? Oh gosh. It's a slug. So sluggy. Come on, sluggy. That's look, sluggy. Come on, look. Look for it.
Where is it? What do you see?
A slug.
Slug. It's a worm.
Worm.
Wiggly worm.
Wiggly worm. Bye, worm. Bye, worm. You can keep here, but don't touch it. Don't touch it. Bye, sluggy. Okay. See you again. Hey, where's you, Mum? Okay. I'll shoot a dot. And here, another dot. This is like you, Mum. Come on, Sluggy.
You can't take it inside. It's never taking the wiggly worm inside. No.
Yeah, we can't take it.
Leave it outside.
Okay. We'll stop and reach you up. Alright. Why wet? Come on. Why is it so wet? Child. Stupid child. Crap. I'm going to get a new slipper. That's probably wet out there. Crap. Dad.
Yeah.
Don't wet, silly bird. Oh crap.
Are we finished?
More.
Can you go inside?
No, more.
More.
We don't break it. One was really wet. We can try take it out. I only need to take it off after the video. After the video. I need to take a chance off after the video.
Well, you're going to have to run that question by me again. I have no idea what you said.
We need to take a chance off after videos when you get a house.
When you drive?
Okay. When we get a new trousers when you get home.
New trousers?
Alright, we need to get new trousers. I'm going to get a new trousers.
They're not fashionable enough, is that what it is?
No.
You need new fashion.
We need to get new trousers.
Why, are they old fashioned?
We need to get new trousers.
You need some more funky trousers, yeah?
No.
Some funky kit.
No. I'm going to get a new trousers after the video. What is getting new trousers after the video? Now, but 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Right.
How about we just get you some gum?
I'll snap it. 3, 2, 1. Right. One more. Which is one more. Stop it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Alright, let me go to bed test. Let's keep going back to bed test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Dad, I need to hold it. Okay. You can put it there. We broke my thumb. We need to put it there because broke my thumb. One kid just put it there because I broke my thumb. Shut up. I need to put it there because I broke my thumb. Because I bend test. 3, 2, right, here you go. 3, 2, 1. No, I can't do the bend. Oh crap.
You go inside now, Ollie.
No, not yet. Ow. Oh. Oh. It blood of water. Okay. Oh. We can put it there. We won't get hurt my thumb. I got enough. I got hurt my thumb. Sorry, Bennett. Oh. I got hurt my thumb. Sorry, that one. You got hurt my thumb. What are you fucking doing? Oh, come on. Why I need a... Sorry, I kept falling out on the kiddie stand. Sorry. How?
Very wet there, Ollie. Very wet.
How? Why did you cut yourself?
Go inside, get plaster.
Ow.
Come then.
It's not bleeding. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm very good self. I hurt myself.
Should we go and get plaster?
Money to gloves, Red. Money to gloves now.
We need to go inside and get gloves then, don't we?
I need a gloves. I'll go on back to gloves.
Bring your phone in then.
I need the gloves.
You need to bring your phone in to get some gloves.
Finger hurt.
Well,
My
bring your phone
ring
in.
finger.
Bring your
I
phone.
hit my ring finger. Sorry, I'm just going to get a flat.
You need to bring your phone in.
Crap. When he's get, we'll go back to inside. We'll go get our gloves. Fred. 5 minutes later. So there we go. Also, we'll take your glass back on.
Wrong hands, Ollie. Ollie, you put the gloves on the wrong hands. That's the palm. That's
sorry.
the back. You put them on the wrong side.
I'm being sorry.
Yeah.
Oh,
Try again.
Oh, sorry about that.
With the wrong hands.
Sorry. Just get it one way.
Is that better? Better?
There we go. There's one thing.
Can you go outside?
Yeah.
I get sitting there thinking, perhaps I might sit in the car while you're fucking cold. You go on to the table, do you press at the table?
Yeah, I put it there. We can try better test. Why so sticky gloves?
There we go. At least it's in the car. It's warm.
Yeah, thank you. We get better test, Fred. Come do it. Thank you. Oh. Ooh. Thank you. Oh. Go away. I can't get a food yet. Why? That's it. Let's go. Take your gloves off. So, we're going to throw it. 3. Alright, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Peace out.